In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off automatic Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Do Not Disturb is a helpful feature that silences calls, notifications, and alerts when you don't want to be disturbed. However, sometimes it can be set to turn on automatically at certain times or when in specific locations, which may not be convenient for everyone. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Focus. Then you want to turn off the automatic activation for each of these focus modes. Tap Do Not Disturb. Scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll see a section called Set a Schedule. Have this focus turn on automatically at a set time, location, or while using certain apps. Tap on it. As you can see, this is set to turn on automatically from 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. To turn it off, simply tap Delete Schedule. Let's select another one. Scroll down. Tap here. And then simply tap Delete Schedule. This will stop your iPhone from automatically turning on focus modes. If you want to manually turn on Do Not Disturb, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. Look for the crescent moon icon. Tap on it. Then you can activate any focus mode manually. You can also turn it off from there as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.